Are you stuck trying to find reading passages for your students for the state exams? What if you could leverage AI to get those written in just a few seconds? Hi, this is Blake from DiffusionHR, and today I'll show you how to leverage AI to create those reading passages for your students. Those reading passages are essential for your students to prepare them for that state exam. But sometimes you want something fresh, something new. I was speaking with an educator the other day, and she would spend hours trying to find good reading passages. Let me show you today how AI can help you and how it helped her create her own reading passages and the assessments that she wanted with it as well. So I'm going to show you two things. The first one is how to actually create these reading passages. It's not going to be a complicated prompt, but this is what it is. So this is actually my prompt. It should be for grade 5, it should be on erosion, it should be 5 paragraphs, and I want 3 multiple choice, 3 short answer, and 1 constructive response questions about the actual text. That's it. I'll submit that. The response took just about 3 seconds, and now I'm gonna look at this and I'm gonna scan through it with you. So it's about erosion. So far, the language looks about right for grade 5, not too complex. The content looks pretty accurate. 5 paragraphs, that works. Have some multiple choice questions on erosion, some short answer, and a constructive response. That was awesome. That didn't take me long at all, but I'm the educator. I have to make sure this is accurate. So I would go through and I would spend more time making sure that all these questions actually are found in the reading passage so I can prepare my students correctly for that state exam. But the idea was I didn't have to go and search the web forever. I was able to use something that was already here. And so now I want you to imagine you're digging through some old workbooks and you find some passages that are really good. You want to use those for your class, but you don't want to transcribe all of them by hand. What do? Well, this is where AI can come in handy for you. Not just to transcribe, but also to create the multiple choice questions and the fill in the blanks and anything else that you're looking to do. So this is what you're going to do. Go ahead and grab your phone and you're going to open up ChatGPT. The first thing you'll do is in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a plus sign. Click on the plus sign and then you'll see camera. Choose camera. When you choose camera, now you're going to take a picture of that workbook, that one page or those multiple pages. And then after you do that, you're going to insert the prompt. Now the prompt is going to be just like all the other ones we've done today. Not going to be different at all, except you're going to say transcribe the image or the images. That's it. And let's see what actually happens. So as I go through this, I can see that these paragraphs, they're transcribed perfectly. It's exactly what was on that page or that image that I selected. That's great. And then just like before, the multiple choice questions, the fill in the blanks, the constructive response, that's all there just like I wanted. And it's at the 5th grade level. That is amazing. And it just saved me a lot of time. And again, it allowed me to direct AI to tell it how I want to see things. And so now I showed you 2 different ways that you can create reading passages. You can actually have ChatGPT create some for you, and you can have it create, criteria to help the students really dig into the reading passages. Or you can go find an old one, take a picture of it, have chat transcribe it for you, and again, also create the multiple choice questions or the fill in the blanks or the short answers, whatever you need. Again, this is just one of those really cool ways where you can have AI help you become more efficient so you can spend more time on those things that matter with your students. Share that with some of your coworkers, and you take care.